for this shit. I'm ready to flip and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me, she got an abortion, I end up surviving this shit.
Spin it!
And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I'll probably be robbing this shit.
Yes,
Don't know
sir.
how much you cry for this shit. Said I'm willing to ride for this shit. You know murder's my hobby inside
Yes,
of my closet's a bunch of
sir.
dead bodies and shit. Said it, I'm cursed, cause I go to church and stare at the Bible and shit. Shorty say I'm the worst, cause I do my dirt and I don't be hiding this shit. Bitch, I'm a savage, I spit at you bastards, I wonder what you gonna do to me. I need to hear some more rapping, I'm just not impressed by your cash and your jewelry. All you my soldiers and I'm a lieutenant, god damn it, you should be saluting me. I hope you know I ain't going nowhere, all you rappers just better get used to me. I must have blew on my G's, bought me a Jeep, cause I wasn't riding as much. My bank account looking weak, don't look at me, I ain't got time for no fun. Starting to feel like
The Zl1’s are out here respecting the law. You already know how we do it. Gang, gang, whole lot of gang.
Nobody give a show me love when I was coming up. I had to double up and tell these fucking love before they ride. And they don't really want to knuckle up. I hit them with the uppercut. I had these motherfuckers running for their lives. Unidentified craft when I'm flying past. I'm an alien standing in if you look up in the sky. Blow your mind back, push your eyes back to your iPad. I'm an Iraqi and suicide when the bombs are loaded and your mind exploded.
Apparently, cops is on the way, so everybody rolling. You know how that works. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. We shouldn't get pulled over. But I don't want none of that smoke when it comes to these cops, especially out here. Alright, I'm in the car. Zl1’s is here. We about to head out. Get into some mayhem. Alright, ladies and gents, we are out here. Let me get out the road so we don't get hit. Y'all can't tell me where we live. This is, bro, this shit is just gorgeous, bro. Oh man. Look, we got people out here snorkeling. This is gorgeous. Look at that, got the whips out. Yeah.
Oh, be careful.
Oh, okay, thank you. For leaving them out?
There's no parking and microphones and catching some of the other racing.
Oh, okay.
Just get me aware.
Thank you. All right, thank you so much. All right, you too.
That's the other car was flashing us for.
Like I said, man, this is some of the best views we got, bro. I gotta come up with a name for this one. I did at least 3 times and I forgot. Yeah. And then of course we got Zl1 stuff out here as well too, looking nice. We got the 18s on this one, and then we got the 20s. We just lining them up for some good shots before some cars come. But like I said, man, these views are amazing. We have to get these shots. Look at this. Got to. Can't pass this moment up. Man, perfect. Look at the fucking views. Okay, y'all see the car? I'm zoomed in, right? Now I call this one the panty dropper when I zoom out. Ready? Ah, yes. That's Hawaii all day. You can't fake that shit. Yeah. Yes. It's out here like crazy. Bro, this view. That's that mountain. And then that's a mountain. Damn.
I don't need no special rest, no. Who are you testing? Focus can't here's your lesson, no. Like an intestine, taking shelter of your breath, you know. Feel like I'm damn man, you fucking playing. So that my spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your mood right. Show they look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your mood right. Show they look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your mood right. Show they look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my. Feel like I'm destined. I don't need no special rest, no. Who are you testing? Here's your lesson, no. Like an intestine, taking shelter of your breath, you know.